DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am going to be filming an unboxing of the Cricut Maker. I am totally new to the whole Cricut world. If you're not new to my channel, I love crafting, sewing, and all of that. It's just been a while since I've had the opportunity to do it, but because I have my own nail line, I like to send thank you cards and such to my customers, and I wanted something that could kind of assist me in that. I do like to do paper crafting, so this was something I felt like I wanted to invest in as far as my business goes. So I'm going to jump in and show you guys what I got. If you're a newbie in the whole Cricut world, I think this might help because I watched a ton of unboxing videos and everything else. I did my research before I decided to invest in this. And I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I picked up that I feel like you probably are going to need before you get started. But again, I am new, so if you own a Cricut, please leave some suggestions to other items that you feel like I should get in addition to what I have already. I don't want this to be too long, so I'm going to try to go a little bit fast so I can unbox my Cricut. It got delivered earlier and I have not had the opportunity to get it. I did pick up the Cricut holographic vinyl. This one is in opal. I don't know much about it. It is a heat transfer, and I do have to get the Cricut Heat Press. I'm waiting for that to come so I can use it with that. I also picked up the standard grip mat. This I ordered off of Amazon, and it comes with 2 of these mats. I do have other mats that are inside of this, but I need to get them out of the box. This is the Cricut Essentials tool set, and it is the gold kit, if you can see it. And as far as I know of, this is something that you would want to invest in because it has the cutting tool. This is a spatula. These are the tweezers. This is a weeding tool. This is a scoring pen, some scissors, and then this is like a paper cutter. So I'm very familiar with a lot of these tools. I just do not have them myself. Put this down. Try not to throw everything on the floor. This is the extra large scraper, and to my knowledge, this is what you would use with the vinyl, or if you want to clear off your mats. And this stuff didn't come with the Cricut. I had to invest in it in addition to the Cricut. This is the washable fabric pen. Now I have the, I think it's the friction, or I gotta look, but my lights might be too bright for you to see it, but it's the washable fabric pen. But there's another pen that I use when I sew that I can write on the back of my material to do all of my markings, and you can it goes away if you use heat on top of it, and I think it also has an eraser on the end of it. But I got that to use in the actual Cricut Maker. This is a brayer. Now they have it where you can buy this individually or with like the little tweezers, and you would use this to smooth out the vinyl, which is like this one, on your mat. Or I believe also you can use it with fabrics as well. But I did get this, and I ordered this stuff off of almost dropped it. I ordered this off of Amazon, so I couldn't find the set that had like the little tweezers with it as well. And then I picked up these pens. This is the Cricut Ultimate Fine Point pen set. This has 30, I believe, in it. So these are some of the colors. I don't know if it focused or not, but just so you can get a little bit of an idea. Again, I'm only showing all of this stuff for if you're a newbie like me, because a lot of the videos didn't show this or like suggest stuff, or none of the videos I did suggested what maybe a newbie should get. This is the multi pen set in black and the metallic pen set. So I got, again, all of this stuff off of Amazon. Okay. And now for my love, I cannot wait to open. Lord, this is the Cricut Maker. Now Cricut did actually just release one via HSN, and it's the rose gold one, but I couldn't get the rose gold one because they were out of stock. And the bundle kit that I purchased has the extra knives and such, so I do have the original Cricut, which is the champagne one. The rose gold would have matched this office, but that's fine because my other workspace actually has a lot of gold in it, so this will be it. Now it comes with this box. It says let's get started. I'm not going to do like my first cuts or anything because again, I'm just doing an unboxing. So you get this envelope. It has a sticker on the back, and these are the materials that are needed for your first project. So you get some fabric and some paper. I believe this is like cardstock. Then you get the Cricut Maker, the book. This is going to give you instructions, and all of this is inside of this. This, I believe, is the rotary blade. Yeah, this is like the rotary blade. And then you open this up and it comes with the USB cord. I have the knife blade and drive housing. My light is too bright, so I'm not going to even try to show this stuff. But it is the scoring wheel combo. So you have the, I think this is like the double scoring wheel and the scoring and double scoring wheel tips. That's what this is. And then I also have a Cricut, oh, this is another one of the markers. This is the bonded fabric blade and housing, and it is pink, so this is going to come with the pink fabric mat, so you can use this with bonded fabric. And then this is the warranty. So all of this stuff from what I did my research on is stuff that you're going to need, but they actually had it where you could buy your Cricut and get all of this stuff in addition to it. So that's why I got the bundle, because I was getting ready to buy all of this stuff individually. In some magical way they had one of this bundle left, so I just went ahead and got it all. Alright, so this is the actual Cricut itself, but the power cord is in there, and then there's also some mats. So this comes with the strong grip mat, and this is what you would use to cut thicker items. It comes with the fabric grip cutting mat. So this is what you would use with that bonded fabric one. And then the light grip. And as far as I know, if you use this with like paper, cardstock paper, lighter materials. And it does, it says for use with most materials, for fabrics only. And this one, thicker materials during cutting, and feature long-lasting adhesive. So it tells you on the mat what you need. Alright guys, so I turned the camera down so that you can see while I open this. And this is very slippery, so please be careful when you go to take it out of the box, because I almost dropped it. Alright, and it's actually wrapped pretty good. It's shrink wrapped. This way. And let me see if I can. I don't want to scrape it. And like I said, HSN actually had a rose gold one. I was on the Cricut's website. So that's where I was going to get all of this stuff from, and then that popped up, and I really wanted the rose gold one, but that's fine. I still got this one. Doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, the fact that this bundle came with the extra things was what mattered. So this is what it looks like. It's the champagne, and I love it, you guys. I am so excited to start using this. And then you just take this off, and it actually comes with a blade, and this is where you put the markers and everything in. I'm probably going to go ahead and store all my little extra knives and blades and stuff in there. That's everything that I got for my Cricut Maker haul. I hope it's helpful. Like I said in the beginning, all of the videos that I watched, there was just certain things that I was looking for when others did their unboxing, maybe some suggested items and things that I should get. I'm still a newbie, so outside of the Cricut Press, which they're getting ready to release 3 more of, please let me know any tips and tricks, things that could help me get into this. I still have to hook it up to Design Space and all of that jazz, so I will probably be up for a while. It's like 11 o'clock right now and I'm filming this, and I still need to get home because I'm at work doing this. So I will share anything that I do. I'm going to try to film my first project, which comes with it. And that's it. Please, if you are more advanced with the Cricut machine, please share with me anything that you suggest or that you absolutely cannot live without. I believe I have like all of the blades at this point, but that's all. Oh, I know I need to get some transfer tape or like contact paper to transfer the vinyl, so that is something else I did know. But anything else, please share. I'll see you all in the next video, and as always, and until next time, have a great day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.